Ma'am, I finished writing, ma'am.
Okay. So that's for today, Akshay. Okay. We'll meet in the next class and we'll continue. We'll finish up. We have the last topic basically. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay then. Bye bye. Take care. So tomorrow, if you like, do you want to take a class tomorrow or day after tomorrow, like 5:30 if you want?
Ma'am, Wednesday 5:30 is fine, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay
Thank
then.
you.
Akshay. Bye bye. Good evening, Sindhus. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Uh,
Ma'am, like, did you correct the papers?
sorry.
Did you correct the papers?
No. I will be doing it on Friday because Friday is enough for me.
Okay.
So how was the test?
Ma'am, it was easy. There was a question, like, I wrote it in my notebook. That's right.
Hmm.
Yeah, this one. In an isosceles triangles, the basis angles are equal to 50. The vertex angle is. So I did like 50 plus 50, 100, and then 100 minus 180 degree.
Okay, I'll check. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Good evening, Abdullah. How are you?
I'm fine.
What we have to do today, students? We finish simple equations. After that, which chapter we have to start?
Ma'am, perimeter and area.
Perimeter and area. No, we started it.
Yes, no.
Yeah, I think. No, we did some
We're
questions.
at the like
Good
the
evening, ma'am.
Good evening. We started the perimeter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am. If you show me like the PDF, then I will understand. Like,
Okay, I also need to find
Good
this.
evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Um, mm, yeah, I got it. Perimeter. Good evening, students. I hope everybody is here, right? We were doing, how was your test?
ma'am, it was good.
No.
Okay.
It was good, ma'am.
It was good, ma'am.
Okay. So today, what was the last topic we did?
Yeah, this one we were gonna start with like something. Ma'am, can you show it down? We did this one. The down one also, the concrete part also we did.
Sorry, can you please pardon?
We did this part, the concrete part also we did.
We did, right? We have to start from
Yes,
parallelogram. You
ma'am.
only wrote the definition of this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So area of parallelogram, for example, this is your parallelogram. Okay. So the base, you know, this is the base, right? And height would be, like, for example, this is the line I have given to you. This would be your height. Clear?
Ma'am, wait, can you explain again? I didn't heard.
This would be your base. Okay. And this height would be given to you. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
So we can we can say take any of the side as the base. You can even take this as a base, this as a base, any of the side as a base, right? And the perpendicular
Suppose in an
point.
exam,
Hmm.
like it gives one side, so we should take only one side as
Yes,
a base, right?
yes,
Not multiple sides.
yes. And wherever the 90-degree would be there, that will be your height of the perpendicular. Clear? So,
Okay,
for
ma'am.
example, this question, I hope you can see this is your base and this is your height. So, quickly do it in your notebook. Just write the question, find the area of the figure given below. Then draw this figure. And then what is this? This is a parallelogram, right? So, you will write area of parallelogram. And then the solution.
Mom, I'm done.
Rika, how was your exam? I just forgot.
Ma'am,
Mom, you mean Chakrika?
Yeah, Chakrika, how was your exam? You had your exam in your school as well, no?
Yes, Mom. It was
Yeah.
it was pretty easy.
Okay, so I'm expecting good marks.
Yes, Mom.
Oh, good.
Mom, I'll send you the question paper.
Okay.
Oh, Mom, but it might be a little messy, so don't mind it.
No problem. I just need to check the questions. If it was
Okay.
easy, then yeah, pretty good. Like I just wanted to get that feedback, ma'am. It was easy, instead of ma'am, it was tough.
Okay, Mom.
Because easy and difficult basically depends on us. Sometimes. I won't say 100% time, but
Actually, Mom, everyone thought that it was easy. Everyone in the class.
but sometimes, for example, even the easy become difficult if you don't know the things.
Yes,
Right?
Mom.
For example, if you don't know multiplication, it will be tough for you anyway. Right?
Yes, Mom.
So
Yes, Mom.
sometimes it's basically on us as well. Like, for example, if everybody is saying so, that might be. Right? But sometimes, for example, even the easy become difficult if you don't know the things.
Yes,
So,
Mom.
yeah. If it is so easy, good. Very
I
good.
think everyone is done.
Okay, done. Everybody is done? This one? It was easy, just a
Yes, ma'am.
multiplication.
Ma'am.
Right? So what is the answer? 48?
48
Yes,
centimeters.
Mom.
48 centimeter. Okay.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
like in this one, like we need to write square or no need.
You will write that.
Okay.
Okay. Now coming to next one, area of triangle. So what is triangle? First, a triangle is a three-sided closed polygon, right? So if we join two congruent triangles together, we get a parallelogram. Very, very important. For example, if you join two congruent triangles together, you can see this is a parallelogram now. For example, this is one triangle and this is another triangle. Okay, like
Excuse me,
this
ma'am.
one. Yeah, hello.
Ma'am, is
Yes,
this a right class? Because I got this link. It's my
You
physics.
have a class with whom?
I'm at sir, ma'am.
No. I think you got the wrong link.
No, ma'am. It's shown like Amir sir at 6 p.m. KSA.
I don't know. Do one thing, Reem. Like the number which shared you the link now.
Yeah.
Over there, just drop them a text that when I have a class. Like, did they mention the time over there?
Yes, ma'am. They mentioned the time.
They mentioned it 6.
Yeah.
Okay.
KSA time.
Okay. Yeah. Just you can call them the same number now, or you can just drop them a text.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you for the
Okay.
information.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay. So this is what basically, if this is a triangle, if this is a triangle. So if you will join them, you can see this is a parallelogram form. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes.
So area of triangle is half into base into height. Right? So over here, for example, this is a triangle. Right? This will be your base and height would be given to you. Right? So I think now you can solve it. Yes? So
Yes,
quickly,
ma'am.
everybody will write it from here, like the entire portion. And okay, just write it down, then I'll show you the question.
Mom, I sent you the question paper.
Okay, I'll see.
Ma'am, can you show the example?
I have to wait for everybody because I have to move to the next slide. So let's just wait.
Oh, okay. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, you'll see the question paper after the class, right?
Yes, after the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm done.
I'm done.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, I think everybody is done.
Everyone is done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So here you go. You have the question, right? You have to you have to find the area. So it's now you know what is base and what is height. Okay, you know what to ignore. Okay.
Ma'am, can you just show that parallelogram slide?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Vika said something.
Yeah, ma'am,
Ye-
can you just show that parallelogram slide?
Wait a minute. Let me just, I hope now you can see. Parallelogram. Okay, okay, wait. This.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Done, ma'am.
I'm done.
Okay, everybody is done?
Ma'am, I didn't understand. So can you just explain it?
Okay, so this is the triangle. You have to find the area of triangle. So what is the area of triangle?
Half
Half into
into
base
area
into
of
height.
of parallelogram. Yes,
No,
ma'am.
not parallelogram, triangle. This one.
No, no, I said half into parallelogram. Same
No,
like
no, half
base into
into,
height.
yes. Okay, so half multiply your base was 12, your height was 5, right?
60. Eh, Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, 30.
everybody?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 60.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, we have to divide it.
Now coming to the next one, very, very important, circles. Okay, so in a circle, whenever you find the boundary, you say it perimeter. You don't say it perimeter, you say it circumference. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Right? So
ma'am.
you don't say perimeter, it's a circumference, right? And area is a area. So in a circle, basically, you have few things, right? Radius, diameter, right? These are the two things that you have to remember. So what is a radius basically? First of all, this is a diameter. Okay, the full length. And if you will do half, for example, A, O, B. So AB is your diameter, clear? And AO is your radius, clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes?
Ma'am, then OB is also a radius.
Yes, OB is also a radius. For example, OC, this OD, OE, all of them would be your radius. Clear? And coming to diameter, this one, EC will be your diameter. AB will be your diameter. For example, if this comes DE, then this will be your diameter. Diameter is full and radius is half. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody? Okay. And there is one value, this one, like this. What is this basically? This is pi.
Pi.
Okay. What is the value of pi? 22 by 7 or
22.7.
3.14. Okay.
Ma'am, I didn't understand what is pi.
This is basically a constant variable, right? A variable which has a fixed value, right? So for example, if I'm writing 2 pi, that means it is 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 or 2 multiplied by 3.14. Clear? This pi has a value. The
Okay,
value
ma'am.
of pi is 20 by 7 or 3.14. So if it is written like this, 2 pi r, right? So that means 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 and whatever will be the value. For example, it's 3 centimeter. So you will write it like this. Clear? So pi is always the number 22 by 7 or 3.14. Any number you can take. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Right? So this is pi basically. So over here you will write the value 22 by 7 or 3.14. Okay? Right? Now this one. So over here, whenever you have to find the, don't write this. So if you have to find the circumference, what will be the formula? It will be 2 pi r. Okay? For circle. Okay? I hope then you will draw this diagram. This one is a diameter, this one is a radius, and this one, the entire boundary is your circumference. Clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So first what you are going to do, you are just going to write this circle and write it till here. This part. Okay, then you will draw the diagram.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, should we also write circumference equals pi into diameter?
No, 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 not now.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what about circumference equals 2 pi r?
No, no, you don't need to write a circumference. First, you will draw the diagram.
Okay, ma'am.
Right.
The one.
Yeah, the one I showed, no?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll scroll it down once everybody's done.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Abubakar, you are also done?
Yes, ma'am.
Only draw the diagram. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done.
Done? Okay. Now you are going to write circumference
Ma'am,
equals
can you wait for 2 minutes?
okay.
Yes, ma'am, you can continue.
So what you have to do basically after this, circumference, it is 2 pi r, right? And then now coming to sometimes radius is not given to you. So you have to find the radius, which is going to be diameter divided by 2. So for example, if your diameter is 8 centimeter, right? So what will be the radius? 8 divided by 2, radius will be 4 centimeter. Okay, so you will write these two formulas.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm done.
I think we all are done.
Okay, everyone is done?
Ma'am, 1 second.
Okay, right.
Done.
Done.
Okay. Now this one, you have to find the circumference. Okay. The diameter is given to you. Quickly do this question. Everybody, write the question first, then do it.
Done, ma'am.
Done, mom.
Ma'am, can you just explain this?
Okay, okay. Let's just wait for others. Everybody is done? Should I discuss the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is it like 37.68? Ma'am,
Yes.
Mom, can I have? Mom, so we should also find the answer, mom. There's no
Yeah,
diagram.
you have to find the answer.
There's no diagram for
ma'am, I
this.
also want.
Diameter is given to you. Yes. What is the formula for
Oh, okay, mom.
circumference? 2 pi r.
Mom, 2 pi r.
First find the radius. You know the formula, right?
Yes, mom.
Then put it in the formula and get the answer. Pi you have
Okay,
to
ma'am.
take 3.14. Clear?
Okay, mom. Mom, can I have 2 more minutes?
Yes, yes. This is for everybody. Everybody got it? How to do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Vega?
No, ma'am.
No. See,
Ma'am, I got
diameter
it.
is
Ma'am,
given.
is it 1/8? Sorry,
Wait, don't
is it
discuss. I'll
18
tell that.
point?
Don't tell the answer right now when we will discuss.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
So
first I was
first of all,
confused like when you said to form radius because I didn't form the radius.
you have to find the radius now, which is diameter divided by 2. So it will be 12 by 2. You got 6. And then I think, Vega, you can put it in the formula. 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiply by 6. Multiply them. You got the answer. Okay.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, how 2 into 3.14 into 6?
It's 2 pi r, no? 2 pi r.
It's
2
a
pi.
different 2.
It's 2. The formula is 2 pi r. 2 multiply by pi multiply by r.
Ma'am, so we have to again multiply it with 2.
When you multiplied it with 2.
I find the radius. It was 6.
So it is divisible.
And
No?
then
It is divide. It is not multiplied.
I divide, yeah, sorry. I divide it. Then we get 6. And then 3.14 into 6. Then where does the 2 came from?
This is the formula of Sindhu's 2 pi r. You have to take the 2.
The formula of what, ma'am? I
The
don't get
formula of
it.
circumference. When we
Wait.
do, like for example, if you're finding the area of a rectangle or a perimeter, there's a formula, na 2L plus B. Like this. Chakrika, I need to check it. I'll tell. Okay.
Okay, mom.
Okay, do it. I'm just giving 1 more minute to everyone. Then I'll tell the entire answer how to do it. Don't confuse yourself. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Got it. Like in the first one, when I got confused, the answer was correct only. Yes, and the second one I wrote is wrong. Actually, cause ma'am, I forgot to multiply it with 2. I didn't use this sun circumference formula.
Don't worry, I'll
Ma'am, it's a little bit confusing. This chapter. There are so many formulas in it.
Okay, so sorry, students. Yeah, I hope everybody is done. We can discuss the answers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, now listen to me very carefully. Don't confuse yourself, right? The question was, you have to find the circumference, right? The diameter is given to you, which is 12 centimeter. This was the question? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Only
ma'am.
yes. Okay. So now I hope everybody know the formula of circumference of circle,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
It is 2 pi r, right? But r is not given to you, right? So first what you will do, you will find the r, which is radius, right? Radius is your diameter divided by 2. So what is your diameter?
Yes, ma'am.
It is 12 divided by 2. So your r is 6 centimeter. Clear? Now here 2, what is the value of pi? They have mentioned 3.14. Multiply by what is the radius? 6. First you will multiply these two. Okay? Okay, don't multiply these two. Do one thing. You can multiply this two. 6 and 12. 6 and 2. Okay, so you got 12. Then 12 multiplied by 3.14. Clear? So 314 multiplied by 12. Right?
37 from
So,
6, right?
so what you are getting?
Yes.
4 2s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 3 2s are 6. 4 1 3. 8 4 5 6 7 3. So you got 3 7 6 8. After how many number you will put the decimal? 2. So everybody is getting 37.68 centimeters square. Say centimeter.
Not,
Yes, ma'am.
not me, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I didn't know that
Ma'am?
R means radius.
Yes.
That's why I was getting confused. Like I
No,
didn't
no.
know the
R means
meaning of the
radius.
R.
No, no, no. R is radius. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Chakrika.
Ma'am, I got it wrong.
Why?
Ma'am, I have a doubt. After we divided the to find the radius, after we
Hmm.
divide the diameter with 2, we
Hmm.
get 6, right? So
Yes.
we can directly multiply with the pi, right?
This 3.14 and 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Even if you do it
Ma'am,
like this, so what you are getting? 6 4s are.
18.84.
So where is this 2? Why you are not multiplying it with 2?
Okay, ma'am. I found my mistake.
Got it? Because see, even your multiplication, you have to multiply these three numbers. You can either multiply these two and then multiply, or multiply these two, whatever you want. But you have to multiply 2 because this is a formula, right? Don't
Okay,
make
ma'am.
this formula confused with this 2. This is a different 2, right? This is different one.
Okay.
Yes?
I did the same mistake as Chakrika did. Like same mistake what she did. I also did the same mistake. Like I didn't put the 2. I didn't multiply 18 that got the answer and I didn't multiply it with 2.
That's why I know that you because this is the very starting of the formula. Sometimes we get confused. I hope everybody noted that down and everybody got the answer, right?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming to area of circle, right? So what is the area of circle? Area of circle is pi r square. Okay. So for example, if radius is 3 centimeters, so how will you find it? 3.14 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Clear? Yes.
Ma'am, can you repeat again?
The formula for this area of circle is pi r square. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
See, for circumference, it was 2 pi r. For area, to find the area of circle, it is pi r square. Clear? Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can write it down. Area of circle equals to pi r square. Then I'll give you the question.
Ma'am, I didn't get it.
You didn't get?
Yes, ma'am, I didn't
You know,
understand.
the formula, you have to learn the formula, which is pi r square. Right?
So we have to multiply the answer with 2 times 3.
For example, if radius is 3, so how will you solve it? Pi 3 square. So it is pi 9. So your 9 pi will be your answer. Like whatever the value of pi is. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm?
Got it.
Ma'am, can you just explain that again?
See, for time being, just write the formula, which is pi r square. Okay? So basically, area of circle is pi r square, right? So for example,
Yes.
the question is given that radius, for example, in a question, radius is given 4 centimeters. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So they are asking you to find the area. So how will you find it? 3.14 multiplied by 4 square, right? So 3.14 multiplied by 4 square is 60. And then you will multiply it, you will get your answer. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Just learn the formula. It's r square. So that means whatever the r will be, you will square it. You will multiply it 2 times and you will get your answer. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
So quickly note it down, then I'll give you the question.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, should we also draw the diagram?
No need to draw the diagram.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, I think everyone is done.
Okay. So now this is your question. Find the area.
Mom, should we multiply with pi?
Yes.
Okay.
Done.
I'm done, Mom.
Ma'am, done, ma'am, and I'm getting confused. Like, can you explain this one?
Okay, I'll explain.
Ma'am?
Don't worry. I'll explain. Don't worry. Everybody is done?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I think yes, Mom.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see, the question says find the area of the circle of radius this. So what is the area? Pi r square, right? So pi and what is radius? This. So 23 square, right? So 23 square means 23 multiplied by 23, right?
5 to 9.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mom.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So what
5
you
to
got?
9.
529. So it is
Yes, ma'am.
3.14
Yes.
multiplied by 529. So when you are multiplying this, what you are getting?
166,
Wow.
1.06.
Yes,
166, 1.06.
Yes, Mom.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody done?
Ma'am, it's correct. I didn't thought
Yes,
it would
ma'am.
be correct.
It
I
is
thought I
correct.
was getting confused. Ma'am, but I did in a different way.
How?
Like, I divided 23 by 2, which I didn't get, so 23 by 2.
Why
And
you
then I
radius is already
multiplied it
given to
with
you, so why you are
23.
using 23 by 2? Radius is
Because I
already-
thought that was written diameter. I didn't read the question properly, ma'am.
No, no, no. If diameter is given. Okay. Now everybody will note this conversion in your notebook. Okay. Clear? 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter, 1 meter, 100, 1 kilometer, 1000, 1 hectare, this. 1 centimeter square will be 100 millimeter. 1 millimeter square will be this. Okay. Quickly.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, I think everyone is done.
Everybody is done?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Yes.
Okay. So over here, the first conversion is this. Convert 70 centimeters into millimeters. Okay. So, do you know how to convert it? No? Okay. So, let me teach you. For example, it's like 30 centimeter. You have to
Ma'am,
convert
can you
it
read the
into...
question again?
Okay, I'm just teaching you this one. Then you can do. Okay.
Okay.
So, for example, 30 centimeter, you have to convert into millimeter. Okay. So, you know, in 1 centimeter, there are 10 millimeter. Right? So, in 30 centimeter, how many millimeter it will be? 30 multiplied by 10. Yes or no?
300 millimeter.
Yes.
100.
But in case if I give you this, convert 30 millimeter into centimeter. Okay. So remember one thing. In 1 millimeter, how many centimeter will be? 1 upon 10 centimeter. Clear? It will be reverse. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. So now 30 millimeter means 30 multiplied by 1 upon 10. Right? It would be 30.
3.
So it would be 3 centimeter. Clear?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can first write it down. Conversion, just put a heading and just note it down. Then I will give you one question. Okay? For every question you have to do, it can be like meter, millimeter, centimeter, whatever it is.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, I think everyone is done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If everybody is done, then here you go. Convert 70 centimeter. Wait, let me zoom. Convert 70 centimeter square equal in millimeter square. This is square, okay? Be careful. Okay?
Ma'am, so do we have to take the square of the number?
This conversion you will take. This one.
Yes, ma'am. So do we have to take the square?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to write it in the square form itself. Okay?
So we don't need to solve the
No
squares.
need to solve it. Only the unit would be centimeter square instead of centimeter.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done.
Done, ma'am.